Hello students, in this video I will explain few new topic of chapter structure of atom. So atoms are the building blocks of matter. Atoms are made up of three subatomic particles, which is electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged particle, protons positively charged particle, whereas neutron has no charge. It is neutral. Proton and neutron are present in the small nucleus at the center of the atom, and electron revolve rapidly around the nucleus in a fixed circular path called energy level or cell. Now next is discovery of electrons. The existence of electrons in an atom was discovered by J.J. Thomson in 1897 through the experiment in which he passed electricity at high voltage through a gas at very low pressure taken in a discharge tube. Then the streams of minute particles were given out by the cathode, which is negatively charged electrode. These streams of particles are called cathode rays because they are coming out of the cathode. Now, the fast moving electron form cathode rays. Thus, the formation of cathode rays shows that one of the subatomic particle present in all atoms is negatively charged electron. Now, electron is represented by the symbol E minus, E for electron and the minus sign for negative charge. Now next is characteristics of an electron. The mass of an electron is about 1 by 1840 of the mass of hydrogen atom, which is the atom of lowest mass. The absolute mass of an electron is 9 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram. The mass of an electron is so small, that's why it is considered to be negligible, and the absolute charge on an electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb of negative charge. That's why it is written as minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, where coulomb is unit of charge, and the relative charge of an electron is minus 1. Now next is discovery of proton. The existence of protons in the atom was discovered by E. Goldstein through an experiment in which he passed electricity at high voltage through a gas at very low pressure taken in a discharge tube. Then the streams of heavy particles were given out by the anode, and anode is positively charged electrode. These streams of particles are called anode rays, and anode rays consist of positively charged particles. The anode rays obtained from the hydrogen are made up of the same type of positive particles. These particles are called protons. Thus, the anode rays obtained from hydrogen gas consist of proton, and a proton is formed by the removal of an electron from a hydrogen atom. Now next is characteristics of proton. Proton, it is a positively charged particle, and the relative mass of proton is 1 U, and the absolute mass of proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. The charge of proton is equal and opposite to the charge of electron, and the absolute charge of proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb of positive charge. That's why it is written as plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. The relative charge of proton is plus 1.